Hi, I'm Knan Aviv. I'm the CTO of Make My Day, and I would like to demonstrate for you the fleet planning tool, or the fleet electrification planning tool. This tool can read data from existing fleets with internal combustion engines, analyze this data, and then give information how to replace the vehicles to electric vehicles in the most optimal way, understanding the total cost of ownership, the ROI, which vehicle should be replaced, and how to do so. So the first thing that we have is a user management. It's less relevant. We can then see the different models that we can work on. If we look on all the models, we have more than 800 models of electric vehicles inside our database, including prices and weight, and we can set which model is relevant to choose and other data. Then we can see all the different charging stations that we can offer inside the data, and we can decide and insert information about each charging station, again the prices and the type of charging station that we can choose from. Then we get to more relevant data, and for example this is data about the sites. Usually fleets operator have a few sites, at least one site where they install their charging stations, or where it's the back office depot where the vehicles are charged, but we can set more than one site. And we can set, of course, the location of the site, and we can set many other data regarding the site, like price of the gasoline, price of diesel, if it's different states, different countries, the price of the electricity. We can even add timing between 10 a.m. until 4. It will be a higher price, and we can add more and more timing for the price of the electricity, and many other information like stop duration, charging time, working hours. There's a lot of data that we can enter here. And then we can read the data to analyze from different kind of system, for example, Geotab, SAP, and more systems, or we can upload our own file into the system. So if you have your own specific site data and log of vehicles that drives around, you can load it, and then we can analyze it or a specific file. We can then add more data regarding the maintenance of the vehicle and our planning. In this case, for example, let's choose to do planning for 10 years ahead, and let's say that this year we would like to replace 5 vehicles, and next year we would like to replace 50 vehicles, and then the next year we're going to replace 70 vehicles of our fleets to electric vehicle. We can even predict what will be the cost or the expected growth of the behavior of our fleet and other data, and then we click on calculate. We click on the calculate button, and we receive, now this is where the magic happens, all the calculation and the data for the vehicles is calculated, and then we receive the result. This is the important part. For example, we can see the different information that we entered. For example, in this case, we have like almost 630 trucks that are driving, almost 34,000 different routes, using more than 2.8 million liters of gasoline for a year. This is yearly a calculation. We can see even the drives, and they have a heat map of all the drives, and we can see what will be the expenses, and we can see what will be our ROI and total cost of ownership, and we can see if we save money on or save expenses on fuel, or we actually using procurement and buying more vehicles, the type of the vehicles that we decided to choose, and even to go down to the routes, the different routes for each day. So this is, for example, for the 3rd of January, or we can choose another date, and we can see the different decision for each different date that we choose, including the routes and including the decision of the vehicles. And then we can see our schedule planning for charging the vehicle, which vehicle should be charged between which time, utilizing our charger in the most efficient way. For example, if we look, this is year 2023, we can look on 2024, where we have more vehicles, so we have more chargers needed to purchase, and we have like scheduled timing for each one of the vehicle in each charger, and we can see again that we never go above the available maximum power supply inside the depot, and we can see also the CO2 emissions that we save. And again, we can see the different route for each different day that we calculate. We have many more features. This was really quick, so contact me to understand better how to replace and to plan the replacement of your current vehicles to electric vehicles. So come and use Make My Day.